In this Your Stinger on the Road tutorial, we'll show you how you can use SpeedSense to minimize unnecessary alerts. This video is for Stinger users with a View interface. You are driving on a road where the speed limit is 100 km per hour. Because it's busy in traffic, you are not able to reach that speed. And because speed traps will not bother you when you are driving slower than allowed, you don't want your Stinger to give you an alert. To automatically mute your Stinger under a certain speed, you can press Mute Under, and here you can choose between 5 different SpeedSense levels. Choose the speed under which you want your Stinger to stay quiet. So, if you choose 100 km per hour, your Stinger will give a visual but not an audio warning when you are driving under that 100 km per hour. When later on you are driving 100 km per hour or accidentally a bit faster, your Stinger warns you for speed traps and other traffic situations, like it always does. But what happens when you are leaving this road and you are now driving on a road with a lower speed limit? You don't want your Stinger to be quiet because of the 100 km level you have chosen before. Don't worry, with Auto Switch On, your Stinger detects when you are slowing down and automatically changes the speed sense to the next lower level. When later on you are driving on a road where the speed limit is higher, you can manually select a higher level again. If you want to change these speed values, you can do so in the settings of your Stinger. Check out the video tutorial on how you can change these settings. Please check out our other tutorials on how to optimize your Stinger experience and protect yourself even better against speed traps.